from the date of purchase and the date of sale. According to that formula, we have to calculate indexed cost. That will applicable only for long-term capital assets. For short-term capital assets, we are not calculate the indexed cost. So that, for example, if any assets given written down value is given in the problem, that is treated as short-term capital assets without considering the fixed assets. If they are given written down value, that itself shows it is short-term capital assets, that is treated as short-term capital assets, should not be indexed. So directly we can take into consideration it is a capital short-term capital gain. Like that, I gave you the list of how to treat the different items while calculating the indexed cost as well as direct calculation. So for that purpose, I gave you the different format. A separate format for long-term capital assets as well as the short-term capital assets. Both are different. So according to that, first that's why I'm telling. First, we have to ascertain whether the asset belongs to long-term or short-term. I will repeat once again. Assessee possessing the assets more than 3 years, all the assets is treated as long-term assets. If the assessee possessing within 3 years, that asset is treated as short-term capital assets. So whereas in the case of shares, so within 1 year, assessee possessing within 1 year, that is treated as short-term capital assets, more than 1 year, that is long-term capital assets. So like that, you are going to calculate and index. The cost of index will be calculated to calculate the difference amount. So that purpose I gave you the formula. According to that, you have to calculate the indexed cost of purchase and indexed cost of sales. That difference is called as the capital gain. So next and last unit, income from other sources. So which are the incomes not included in the above 4 concept? All the incomes will be included in the income from other sources. So which are those? For example, casual incomes. Which are casual incomes? Income from airspace, income from gambling, income from bettings, income from lottery. So which are the incomes gradually earned by the individual? All the incomes are included in the income from other sources. So income from other sources also, some of the casual incomes attract the TDS. For example, income from lottery, 30% will be TDS directly while collecting by the winner. So horses, hotels, all are included in the income from other sources. So income from other sources also calculated separately. So we are getting the taxable income from other sources. So totally all the 5 heads will be calculated separately. Ultimately, we are going to calculate GTI. GTI means gross total income. Gross total income is an income aggregate of all the 5 heads. All the 5 heads that will be calculated separately out of all the 5 heads. First, a format is also given. So calculation of gross total income, GTI. First heads income from salary. Calculated separately. Income from house property, also separate calculation. Income from business and profession. Income from capital gain. And income from other sources. Total of all the five heads, we are getting the GTI, gross total income. So gross total income is the income. Aggregate of all the five heads is called the gross total income. Out of gross total income, we are going to calculate the taxable income. How to calculate the taxable income? Out of GTI, we are going to deduct the different deductions like ATC to ATU. So ATC to ATU is most important for calculation of taxable income. The first one is ATC, what it says. ATC explains the assessee or an employee savings out of his income and invested for other purpose that all included in the ATC. For example, LIC, contribution, next PLI, next PF, GPF, KJID, group insurance, and also tuition fees of the children. In addition to that, the principal amount of housing loan also included. Totally ATC maximum limit 1,50,000. 1,50,000. So that also eligible for deduction out of the total gross total income. Next one is ATU. ATU is not included in the syllabus. So instead of that, we are discuss ATE. ATE is another important sections in your syllabus. ATE explains the person who take a education loan for the higher studies, either India or abroad. The whole interest is eligible for deduction out of GTI. That is the tax rebate. So next one is ATCC NPS, new pension scheme. That also two sections, 48, 40, that also eligible for deduction. Like that, ATG donation. Like that, many sections are there. All the sections will be deducted out of GTI. You are going to get the total taxable income. Total taxable income. This is the total taxable income. Out of that, we are going to calculate tax liability. So how to calculate the tax liability? That is most important. That is ultimate stage for the income tax. So here we are going to classify three groups. Number one is individual, senior, that means senior citizen, super senior citizen. All the three groups having a separate slabs. I will explain only individual, assessee, and senior citizen. Assessee slab. The first one is out of taxable income up to 2,50,000 nil. 2,50,000 to 5 lakhs, 5%. I mean 12,500 rupees liability. 5 to 10, 20%. I mean 1 lakh. So above 10 lakhs, remaining on the incomes, calculate 30% of slab. So total income, calculate the total taxable income. So we are getting the tax payable incomes. Tax payable to the central government. In addition to that, we are going to add 4% cess. Cess means tax on tax. Out of tax payable, suppose in case 1 lakh we are going to pay, NASSC paying only 1 lakh rupees. So out of 1 lakh, we are going to calculate 4% cess. That means 4,000. So totally 1,04,000 he has to pay to the taxpayer government. Whereas senior citizen, the slab is totally changed. Up to 3 lakh nil, 3 to 5, 5%, 5 to 10, 20%, 20 and above, 30%. This is the tax liability they are going to calculate. So where the taxable income below 5 lakhs, they are eligible to rebate, claim the rebate under section 87A. Those income less than 5 lakhs of their taxable income, they are eligible for getting 2,500 direct rebate from the tax payable amount. Take for example, an assessee is going to pay 5,000 rupees tax to the government. They want to claim 87A, deduct 87A because their taxable income below 5 lakhs. So out of 5 lakh, 5,000 minus 2,500, totally the assessee is going to pay only 2,500 to the government. That is called the tax liability. So in addition to that, set off and carry forward. Set off and carry forward is one of the theoretical aspects which is also important for theory question. So which are the losses will be set off to other heads? One head will be adjusted to the other heads. That is most important. So some are not eligible for set off that itself, that will be carried forward to the further years. That is called set off and carry forward. So in addition to that, you have to concentrate the different 2 marks question nearly that will be given to you in the class. You will be concentrated on that. So in totally maximum problems, the minimum theory, 2 marks. So that is most important. So that this is the actual income tax liability calculation. In totally, according to format is must. Calculation of income from business, a separate format is there. Income from profession, according to the problem given to you, either income and expenditure account or receipt and payment account. Income and expenditure account is given, you have to follow the business format. If they are given receipt and payment account, you have to follow the simplest form, receipts minus business professional receipt minus professional expenses. Right. So like that, even capital gain also, you are having a separate format. Short-term capital assets, separate format. Long-term capital assets, separate format. Or in other words, short-term capital gain calculated according to the format given to you. So long-term capital gain also calculated according to the format given to you. The same format you have to follow. So for example, if any fixed assets WDV is given the problem, that is directly you have to consider without nature of the asset